Hello, children. Next set of 6 questions for the final recap of polynomials. So now in the question number 15, if the sum of the zeros of the polynomial is given to be -1, find the value of p. So now these are the kind of questions which you may get mostly from polynomials. Now sum of the zeros is -1. You know that alpha plus beta is -1 and alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So that means minus of 2p plus 3 by p plus 1 is equal to -1. Cancel minus and minus out. 2p plus 3 is equal to p plus 1. Then 2p minus p. P is equal to -2. All right. Then quickly moving on to the next one. 16th one. Again, polynomial is given. And you have to find this time 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square plus 3 alpha beta. So I'll tell you the way out. So when you simplify the expression, what will you get here? Alpha square plus beta square by alpha square beta square plus 3 alpha beta, right? Or I can just write the numerator as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. We have done this identity so many times. Alpha beta whole square in the denominator plus 3 alpha beta. Now after that, need not do anything special, just substitute the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. For example, here alpha plus beta will be 2 minus b by a and alpha beta will be -1. So you have to just substitute in the values and you should get the answer of this one as 3. So I hope this is clear. So then I'm moving on to the 17th one. Same. So now you have alpha 4. You have to find the value of alpha 4 beta cube plus alpha cube beta 4. Now how do we simplify this? We can very well see that alpha cube and beta cube is common in both. So I can chuck alpha cube and beta cube out. So I will get alpha plus beta. Again, this becomes alpha beta whole cube into alpha plus beta. And now this is just mere substitution. Alpha beta is 3. So 3 cube. And alpha plus beta is minus b by 5. So 27 into 5, you will get 135 as the answer for this one. So then now let's see question number 18. If the zeros of the polynomial, yeah, this is a good question. So I'll need that much space. So if the zeros of the polynomial are in the ratio 3:4, so that means alpha is taken as 3x, beta is taken as 4x. And we need to prove that 12a square is equal to 49b. So what I will do here is, I know that alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So according to the polynomial, minus b by a is just minus a. But alpha plus beta is 3x plus 4x, which is 7x is equal to minus a. Or I can just maybe say x is equal to minus a by 7. And let's see, maybe if we need it. Then alpha beta, which is the product of the roots, which is c by a, which is b, according to the polynomial, can be written as 3x into 4x, right? So basically, I can say that 12x square is equal to b. And now x is minus a by 7. So what will be x square? A square by 49. And if I take this 49 to the right hand side, what I'll get is 12a square is equal to 49b. This was a good question. Now let us see question number 19. Question number 19 says, again, a polynomial is given. Now in question number 19, what you have to take care is of the fact that polynomial is not given in the standard form. So you can see that it has to be ax square minus bx plus c. So we have to expand it. And then this becomes your first, this, if you compare it, ax square minus bx plus c. So this is your c part, this is your b part, and this is your a part. So we had to open this here. And now such that condition is given that alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1 is 0. So if I open it, I get alpha beta plus beta plus 1 is equal to 0. And then just substitute. What is alpha beta? Is the product of the roots, which is c by a. Now this is my c. A is anyways 1. So this will be minus p plus c. Now alpha plus beta is sum of the roots, which is minus b by a, which will be p. So this gets cancelled, and then what we get is c is equal to minus 1. So I hope things are becoming clearer. Now the last question, question number 20. Find the value of k such that the given polynomial has the sum of zeros. So sum of zeros, which is alpha plus beta, is equal to half of their product. So condition is alpha plus beta is equal to half of alpha beta. The polynomial is already given in the standard form ax square minus bx plus c. So if I retrieve what is alpha plus beta here, k plus 6, because minus b by a is equal to 1 by 2 into alpha beta is product c by a. So 2 into 2k minus 1. So basically you get k plus 6 is equal to 2k minus 1. So if I settle this, I'll get k is equal to 7. So much from polynomials as of now. I hope all the questions that we have done in all these videos put together, these 20 questions, they help all of you a lot in revising the chapter. All of these were PYQs. So this is going to be really helpful. Thank you.